Ça va plus tard?
Hello ladies and gentlemen, we are starting the month of September. Now the summer is ended. What did we do during summer? A lot of stuff, but I don't know. It's like if I can just put pause in the life and go back to the beginning of the summer, whatever. So I would like to expose you the 3 weeks plan from 1st until 21 of September, that what will be done in the priorities. First, here in the chateau, the priority is the wall. We need continuing cleaning the zone, then we put back the lintels, then we do a metallic frame, and finally we do stabilizing. In the garage, the priority is hall. Well, the hall is almost ready. We need just to finish painting the walls, put plugs, and free the work zone. In our temporary metallic workshop that is here, the priority is wiring and to making a roof so we can work nearby. For example, today it was raining and we got into trouble working here. And we have some sites with piles that are not very big, like we have Mitry-Mori with only 36 piles. Perriac-sur-Mer, I think they are 50 or something. Laval, we just have to put some fences, so it's not even piles. And Cormenon, it's a replacement of the bridge, so a little bridge. So here we are okay. Let me explain what I plan to do with the wall, because many people don't know how I will do it. As you can see, the wall is good outside. It moved only from inside. Let's go and watch. Well, I'll make a sham and then we go and watch how it will be fixed. So. Okay. So we have the wall that represents cracks in these zones. It must be put together. I was thinking about pushing this wall from outside, but finally we figured out that the problem is not outside, the problem is inside due to the load of the beam that is here. So the wall must be saved somehow from inside. My idea is to put some metallic parts here and the metallic frame there. So as we pull it from inside like this, and probably we will leave the metallic frame because it's something that is hidden by wooden panels. So the beam can be held by some kind of metallic bracket that we will install here. And so the rotten part of the beam can be cut. But first I need to clean everything here, and then I see what do I do first. All lintels here, or I push the wall and then put the lintels. Let's go upstairs and I will mark what I will do directly on the wall. Okay, so what we see here is these cracks, and you see that the upper part of the wall went here. So we must pull it there. And I was thinking about pushing the outer side, but finally it's not the outer side that has a problem, it's the inner side. So I think we will install something in this area and the frame here to push it. You see, we have the same here. You see, here we have the same cracks. And so it moved like this just because of those beams that are rotten. So the priority is to work here. This beam, since 20 centimeters, must be cut, and then it can be put back to the wall. So like this, I think it can gain its original place. That's it. The other wall is good, but however, we need really to clean everything in this area to be sure that there's no cracks between the stones. Like here, you see that there are cracks. And you see, this stone moved. Like these stones didn't move. It's this stone that moved inside. So that's what I'm planning to do. How we will do, how I will pull the glue in, yet I don't have any idea. For sure we will ask some people who know, but you know, these projects, they are so particular, so it's difficult to really know who can advise us. And yeah, for sure you many of you tell me like you need to contact this guy or something, but you know, finally the problematics of all buildings are always different. So what functions for one building can function for another one, and finally it's our like playground. Finally we just do as we can, and then we see what we get.
I recall my mother's care, emerald bound in chains. I recall the words she shared, but I ignore it.